Hey folks, TNT Neon here. Today we at Bike Line of Charlotte, here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I brought my bike in because I got a few upgrades I done to it, and I got it from these guys. And so I come in to get everything checked. So at the same time, I have one of the guys talk about all my upgrades that I done to the bike, and I have ridden the bike since the upgrades, and one more upcoming upgrade for it. So we're gonna go on in. See, we got all the bikes that you can imagine here at the Bike Line of Charlotte. We have the Fuel EX829. So we got a few customers in here. And we got all types of bikes here. Marlin 7, Trek X-Cal 7. All up. That X-Cal 8, X-Cal 9. And all the bikes.
I mean, we can double check, but they don't. No, they don't. Race face doesn't make it.
We got Daniel,
I checked on the website.
Jonathan. We'll say Daniel. We got Daniel there. Daniel, Jonathan look like he's working.
Doing something important.
We got new guy Alex back here. We got Nick trying to clean a corrosive bike, and it's looking good so far.
I don't think we did. Okay, I'll have to. Let me call them real quick.
All right, folks, we back. We here with Jonathan at Bike Line, and he gonna tell you all my upgrades that I got done to the bike, and we got them all from here at Bike Line of Charlotte.
We have Rhythm Comp wheels going up to a 24 millimeter internal wheel. Full sealed cartridge bearing on there, double wall, asymmetric rim. I believe triple butted spokes on there. Replacing AT650 wheels that were the starter double wall wheels. XC32 air fork on there. We did a GX 1x10 conversion with a Shimano XT 1136 cassette. Also, we got the race face crank on there, the turbine 4-bolt crank with the 32 tooth narrow wide. Quite a few upgrades on here, make it a lot nicer bike. Hopefully here soon Isaac will upgrade to a Superfly frame to complete the conversion so he can have tapered head tube and through axles. So
Yes. So this is what's some of the upgrades that's already been done on it. Also have a race face 45 mil stem on it with that 10-degree angle turned down on it. But yes, the wheels is going to go on next week. But yes, this is all the upgrades that I've done so far on this bike. And all these upgrades are done for here at Bike Line of Charlotte. Also see a little Wahoo Reflect Plus up there. Works great. Love this little guy. Alright, and like I say, you can, if you're here in Charlotte, you can get all your stuff here. Bike Line of Charlotte. They got every bike from cruisers running up to your high-end mountain bikes. And also your electric pedal assist bikes. All right. As I always say, God is good all the time. TNT out.